Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Rhino and saving a working copy. This prevents accidental changes. Next, switch to the 4-view layout so you can see perspective, top, front, and right simultaneously. This gives context for view adjustments. Turn on Gumball and the grid to make transforms visible and predictable. Once done, select an object to focus on and use Zoom Extents to center it. That guarantees the subsequent view controls affect the intended geometry. Now you refine the camera. Choose Set Camera or save a named view to lock an exact viewpoint because repeatability matters. If you need true orthographic drawings, toggle Perspective versus Parallel Projection. Parallel removes foreshortening for plans and elevations. Use Dolly to move the camera in and out, pan to shift laterally, and rotate to orbit. Enable object or grid snapping to maintain alignment. Make subtle moves. Then store the result as a named view so you can return instantly. Finish by restoring your saved named views and locking viewports to prevent accidental changes during modeling. Make sure your construction plane aligns with the intended view. If not, set C-plane to object or surface to correct orientation. If a view behaves oddly, reset the camera by using the Set Camera command or rebuild the view with Zoom Extents and a fresh named view. That usually fixes clipping or misaligned projections. If issues persist, restart Rhino with a default template to rule out corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.